Career Day is just a chance for students to gain some hands-on opportunities with all the different types of career and explore the different careers. We have been working on college and career readiness and guidance. I thought this would just be a great way to kind of wrap up our unit and tie all of that together. Today we just hope that our students are leaving feeling inspired and are wanting to dream big about their futures, because that's really what the college and career readiness is about. What we've been learning about in guidance is exploring, what do I like, what are my interests, what am I good at. They don't have to know right now what their career is, but by knowing their likes and their interests and what they're good at, that just helps them know, well, these are some possible career paths for me.
My favorite thing is just about spending time with jobs. It helps us learn. It helps our brain grow, because when I spend times with jobs, it helps me learn more, and it helps me think more, and it helps me do more stuff.
I want to be a veterinarian assistant because I like helping animals feel better, and I can help the veterinarians help with those animals. It's really nice of him coming here and letting us see a whole bunch of stuff.
It has been a lot planning this, but it's all been for the kids. All of this has been for the kids, and I'm so glad to see that it's been a great morning.